Need 10 Solana wallets? 100. Creating them one by one would take you all day. This tool generates them in bulk, in seconds, completely free, no wallet connect. Let me show you. On j.tools, I'll open Wallets and Transfers and click Wallet Generator. First, the important part. Everything is generated on your device. There's no server-side key storage. Your keys never leave your browser. I'm going to create 15 wallets here, but you can generate as many as you need. In the wallet count field, I'll type 15. And now, I'll click Generate Wallets. And done. 15 wallets generated instantly. Scroll down and you'll see the summary, 15 requested, 15 generated, and right below it, every address with its keys. Export as CSV, Excel, or JSON. I'll click Excel. And here's the file. All 15 wallets in one clean spreadsheet. The public key, the private key, the mnemonic, everything. Ready to plug into whatever you're building.